It's the middle of January right now. Is this too late to make New Year's resolutions? Is it too late right now to make goals for the rest of the year? No, because it doesn't matter if you're watching this in June or even October. What matters is that you're going to make a change in what you're choosing to do right currently. So if currently, right now, you want to make a change, then what you need to do is make that change. It doesn't matter if it's a New Year's or if it's however you choose to celebrate the seasons through solstices or the Chinese New Year or the astrological New Year. The date isn't really matter. What matters is how is it important to you in your being, in your life, and how are you actually going to execute those choices and those changes. What you need more than anything else is grit. And by grit, what I mean by that is determination to get up absolutely every single day and to work even a little bit on what you're choosing to do, whatever your goal is. You have the grit and determination to do that, because that is the hardest thing, is to keep doing something until it's done, whatever that goal is. So you could have a massive goal or you could have a little goal. If you have the grit to get through it, then you win, hands down. So story time. Right now, I'm in the middle of moving, as in I might be at my new location right now, but my business is 1,500 kilometers away, as in all the stuff. I haven't even started for the year yet. But does that really matter to me? No, because my goal for this year is to get enough grit to keep going with it, because I feel right now super unmotivated to do anything with it, because you have this whole, oh, you have been closed for so long, and do you even want to do this anymore? I get that a lot. I think it has a lot to do with juggling being a mom to a young toddler, and how I can't really do what I want to do because of all that parental responsibilities of young children, and how I actually put her needs up front of my business. And moving has kind of shown me I need to do that a bit more now, because it's a new environment and we're all transitioning into it and getting comfortable and stuff like that. So my goal for the year is to get my grit on, to really focus and just try to get through the year. Try to keep going. So if you can just pick one little thing, if it seems super impossible right now, pick one thing. Can you work a little bit every single day, just a little bit on what your goal is? Because if you can do that, then your goal is complete. Your year will happen and you will progress naturally to your next goal and your next thing on your to-do list, or the next thing you want to accomplish. Because really life is just, and success in business is just really little tiny micro steps along the way. What can you do today? Do you really need to take the entire day off? Can you just do a little bit? Yes, of course we need to take days off. I'm not saying work like a dog your entire life, because I mean I've done that for way too many years now. But you really got to put it into perspective for yourself. What little tiny things can you do to get complete, to get to that end goal of whatever it is your goal is? And don't think you have to have every single little thing planned out, okay? If January I can unpack my office, that's my goal for January. Make it little goals for yourself. Let's not make this huge ass plan, because you're gonna take so much time planning that you're not actually gonna do anything. This is a huge mistake and a biggest time suck. And lots of business coaches will tell you plan, 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 and then you'll spend how much time planning? Just do something. Do something and have the grit every day to get through it a little bit, and you will get it done. It will happen. Promise. Have a good time planning and getting little grits of sand, and build up your empire, your sandcastle. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.